Hello everyone, my name is Rihab Azar and I'm a London-based Syrian oud player. I'd like to welcome you all to this wonderful edition of Women of the World Global Festival. It's such an exciting opportunity to be amongst so many wonderful women from all around the world, and I'm so glad you were able to join us. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I was born in Homs, Syria, to a wonderfully musical family. I was very lucky to have my father as the person who made my first oud, and he was my teacher. And then I carried on studying music at the Conservatory of Damascus, graduated in 2014, and then in 2015 I was given an incredible opportunity to come to the UK and study a master's degree in music education, which has been a huge part of what I do, teaching little children. And so I've been in the UK for almost 5 years now, and it's been a wonderful experience. I've met with lots of amazing musicians from different traditions, different backgrounds from all around the world, and it's been like my second home, the UK. In my segment you will be hearing two pieces. One of them was written by me. It's called Questions, and the other one is one of the classics of Syrian music, and it's called Badat min al-Khidri. I hope you enjoy the pieces, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the festival. Thank you very much for tuning in.